Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical Titanium Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the SUUNTO application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top left corner to open the device page. And here you should see your SUUNTO Vertical. Now scroll down through this page and find the option called Manage Connection. Tap on it, then tap on Forget button and tap on OK. The watch will disappear from the device page. We can close the app now. Open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the SUUNTO Vertical on the list of my devices. Once you find it, tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.